Jai Hind children, welcome in your computer live class. In today's class, we will proceed with the next topic of 5th chapter. Okay, till now we have completed how to insert the different layer, how to rename it and all. Then we have, in the previous class, we had created an animation with different layers. Okay, I think you all have tried it at your home or you have revised it also. Now in today's class we will have the next topic, that is masking. Now children, after the masking topic we will move ahead with one more topic, that is onion skin tool. Maybe it will be covered in the next class, and only these two topics are left till now for your half yearly syllabus. So let's start with the masking first. What is masking, children? As you can see, I have opened the book. You should also open the book in front of you so that you can relate. First we will move with the theory part, and then in between the video I will show you how to do this masking. Now what is masking, children? In animation, masking is the way you hide or display the content on a layer. What is masking? In animate CC we are doing now. So in animate CC, if you have to hide or you have to display, you have to show the content which are placed on a layer, then you can use the masking. ठीक है, किसी चीज को हाइड करने के लिए और टू शो करने, you have to show it, then you will use masking. You may think that, ma'am, we can use the hide and show and hide option from the layer, but children, from that option you will hide the whole layer, and I am telling you about the property through which you can hide a part of a layer. A layer is there, you have placed some icons or text or objects in that, and now you wanted to hide it, or you want to show it, or you want to give animation during the hide and show transition. So you will use the masking and it will be very attractive, children. So the point should be clear, the definition of masking, that the way you selectively hide and display the content on a layer, not whole layer, children. The content which are there on the layer, if you want to hide or show it, then you can use masking. The mask layer contains mask item that can be filled, shaped or typed object or any graphic symbol or any movie clip. Just now I have told you na ki either you can have a text on that layer, or you are having some objects, आपने कोई sun बनाया है, or you have placed a car in that and you want to hide at that time. So you can use this technique, this feature, to show and hide the contents which are placed on a layer, not whole layer, children. पूरा layer नहीं close hide and close करना है, ठीक है? So through masking we can do this. Act as a whole through which we can see the content of other layer beneath it. Masking is often used in animate to create spotlight effect. Spotlight effect, imagine the spotlight effect in a stage. If one person is standing and you wanted to highlight only that particular person, then spotlight were used. ठीक है, पूरा black कर देते हैं, dark room, and then the light will focus that particular person only, so he will appear only from the whole stage. So this is the spotlight. So if you wanted to do such animation in animate CC, then you can use the masking effect. It's very interesting, children. So how you will open it, how you will create it? So open the new file as usual. We will open a new file, or the created one also we can open. Change the background. They have changed the background color. They are telling us na ki how to do this masking. That's why they have chosen the different file. So they have chosen a stage in which the background color is dark blue. Then they have typed a text. Its name is hard work. Okay, उन्होंने एक type किया text hard work. See, I think you are able to see your book. Okay, so through selection tool now they have increased the font size and color of the font उन्होंने white किया है, ठीक है, through property panel. हाँ, this you can do. Okay, then from the different options of masking, how to do, first they have created it, then they have created a masking effect. How we will create those masking effect, I will show you. I will definitely show you after few minutes. Okay, they have selected a oval tool and then through masking option they have masked that particular layer beta, and then when you will play the enter key, then control plus enter key means when you will test the movie, see this type of image will show, not the whole hard work is showing, or it is showing what, it is showing a part of hardware. So hiding the text, right now they have hide the text by using this oval shape. So this is the masking. I hope I will cover the rotation in masking also. So what you can do in rotation, children, so again we will have a different layer for this, different file for this. They have selected it. Okay, they have selected and they have chosen a background in it, as you can see on your screen. Background, and then this one, a star on a stage. They have drawn a star on a stage, and then the rotation will be done on this. Now it will be looking more attractive. And the last topic is onion skinning. This we will cover in the next class, children. This we will cover in the next class. So till now what we will do, we will have what, we will have masking. Okay, how to create the masking, how to hide and show a particular content of a layer and give animation in it. And then in masking we will see the rotation also, how to do the rotation through masking. So let's see the practical. Okay, let's start the practical part of masking, children. For that, in the first layer we will write a text and we will apply masking in it. So for that, click on T, text tool. Okay, and write some text in it. For example, write down welcome. After writing this, now just right click on frame 60 and insert frame, or you can press F5 also. Clear, children? So in the first layer we have inserted a text, we have written a text, and then at frame 60 or frame 40, it is your choice, you just right click and insert frame. Now after that, click on plus sign to insert a new layer. So I have inserted a new layer, and you can rename it by double clicking on it. You can rename it at mask, and layer 1 will be your text. Okay, in this way. So now once you will insert a new layer, rename it, and after that click somewhere here in the one frame 1, and then first draw a shape which will mask it. So I am going to draw a circle. Change the color of it. Okay, change its color, children. So now the color is also changed. Now children, what you can do, create motion twin. Click on right click on frame 1 and create motion twin. Now click on OK. After this, click on selection tool and drag it over here on this welcome beta. Okay, and click somewhere here, then again drag it. You have to give some motion in it while covering the text. Just give a motion and click here, click in between 1 to 60, and again like this and till 60. Okay, after giving the motion, what you can do, children, right click on this mask layer name, right click on the mask layer name and choose mask option. Once you will choose this mask option, you can see everything is now hidden. Now what we will do, we will press Ctrl Enter to see this masking. See children, this is the masking. Is it interesting? Yes, it is. If you have to replay it, you can rewind the video and you can see it again how your ma'am has done it. First we will create a text layer, then we will create a mask layer. In the text layer we will type a text. In mask layer we will draw an object which will hide our text. Okay. Now the next one is File, New, and we are going to create the masking using the rotation masking children. The next part is rotation with masking effect. So just create it. Now in the first one, what we will do, we will first of all import a background. We will click on File to import a background. So click on File, click on Import and import to stage. So I am having a background. As you can see, I have inserted it, but it is bigger than the stage area. So for that I will click on this free transform tool to resize it. Children, see, I can resize it. How? Through this free transform tool. And now resize it and place this background on the stage to cover this stage area. Now the background is now fitted on the stage area. After this, right click on frame 60. This is frame 60 children. So right click on frame 60 and insert frame. The very first step after inserting the background image, after importing the background image and after resizing it, the very first stage is to right click on frame 60 or frame 40. It is your choice children. Generally we use till 60. So right click on frame 60 and click on insert frame option. Now we can rename this layer. As in your book it is given, its name is nature. I can write it as background also, and just click on lock this one. You have to lock this layer. So click on lock button. After locking this, now it cannot be moved. See here, now I am unable to move this background image. Now after this I will add a new layer. So click on plus sign, add a new layer, double click on it to give a name, star mask, because I will insert a star in it, star shape, and then it will rotate. So this layer name is star mask. After this children, we have to draw a star. We have to draw a star on this particular layer. Which layer? The second layer, that is star mask. But there is no star right now. How I can draw? So I will choose this polystar tool. This polygon name is polystar tool. Select it, and now you can see from the property box. This is a property box children. This is the tool option. In the property box, once you will select this polystar tool, this property box will open, and tool option. In this tool option you can see the star is there. So just click on star children. Click on star and give the number of sides of that star. Your star should have 5 sides, 6 sides, 8 sides. How many sides? So you can give the number of sides, and then after this you have to select the color also, and just give some color like a red color. Okay, and there should not be any stroke, so just avoid the stroke children. Now draw it children. Okay, it's drawn. No, it's drawn. Okay, now after selecting it, what you can do, see, you can draw here so that Okay, because this one is blank area na, so I have shifted it here in this way. Okay, now it's drawn. Now what we can do, click on the selection tool. Okay, click on the selection tool and select the star. Select the star. Now convert it into the symbol by pressing F8 key or click on modify and convert to symbol. So now we are converting it into the symbol. It's converted into the symbol, children. Now select the free transform tool. Select the free transform. This is the free transform tool, children, and resize it like this. Resize it. Okay, you can resize it by using free transform tool. Now right click on frame 60 and select, right click on frame 60 and select insert keyframe. See, insert keyframe. Now increase the size of the star. Now increase the size of the star. Okay, in this way, increased. And right click in between 1 to 60. This is frame 1 to till 60, and right click on it like in between frame 1 and frame 60. So here, okay, and then create classic twin. Create classic twin. Okay. After this, in the property dialog box, this is the property dialog box, you have to choose CW option, but in my case it is clockwise, so I will write clockwise. Okay, in the rotate field under the twinning. Okay, this is twinning option and rotate field under the twinning. Right click on the star mask and give the masking effect. Give the masking effect in this way. And now when you will press enter key, see, I will show you how it will appear. I will show you how it will appear, children. See, this one, and in this way. Okay, control plus enter. See, in this way it will appear. This is the masking, rotation masking. So in this way we can do the rotation in masking also. Okay, children. So that's all for today's practical. You revise it, you replay it. If you are unable to understand it at once, because it is something different. It is something different, children. So if you are unable to understand it, you can replay it. Okay, replay it and then you are able to see it. Till then, okay, revise it. Children, let's see through the animation also how the masking is done in Animate. Okay, you can see this. It is already in prepared animated content for you. In Animate, masking is the way of selecting and hiding the text. Okay, so see, they have drawn some stars. We can have instance. So this act like a whole. This act like a whole, children. Now what we can do, see, creating a mask layer. So now open a new file in Animate, change the background color to the dark blue. Same the book as in the book it is done, we are doing here. Double click on the layer and type the name text. Okay, and see the hard work, they have written the hard work. And now selection tool, select it, change the text style, size, color in this way. Okay, now click on modify to convert the symbol. So now it's converted, and we will right click on frame 40 and we will insert a frame there. Drag it to the top of the side and right click on frame 1 and create motion twin. Create motion twin option. So in one layer we have inserted a text hardware and we have created a motion twin in that, and then till bottom we have to drag it. Insert a new layer, its name is now mask, and oval shape, we will draw a oval shape there children, and it should be bigger than that hardware. Okay, its width should be bigger than the hardware, the text which you have written. So now right click on the mask layer and select mask option. Now when you will see it, what you will see? You will see that it will appear in a show and hide format. Okay, both the layers are now automatically locked. Control plus enter to see the movie in animate. Now see this. Once it is coming from top to bottom, the hard work, now it's hiding just away from the oval shape. Okay, and these are your content layers in animate. Masking, hide and other parts shows only those part of an image that appear underneath of that object. Now after this we are having a rotation with masking, that this also we have done children. So for this you have to import a background. So they have imported a background, its name is nature. Then click on star mask, go to polygon tool, click on option, and we will select a star from here, isn't it? So it's older version, that's why it's showing in this way. I'm having the latest versions, that's why my animation steps were different. Now change the color and draw. See, they have selected and none, the stroke color is nothing. Now they have inserted a star. Now click the selection tool and select the star. Convert the star into symbol by pressing F8 key or click on modify option also. Okay, and its name is now star. So now it is stored as a symbol. Reduce its size. Okay, through free transform tool, reduce its size. You can also reduce by Control Alt plus S. Now insert a keyframe children. At frame 60 insert a keyframe and again increase the size. So first we have decreased, now increase the size. In between frame 1 and frame 60 create classic twin. We have to select create classic twin and in the rotate option CW. In my case it was clockwise. Okay, so now mask the layer. See, it's now masked. Now once you will play it children, you can see the animation, it will rotate. See, the star is now rotating. I have shown it through different option also. Now onion skin tool we will do in next exercise. Now you can see this exercise is here. Layers are like multiple, so hints are there. Layers are like multiple what? Layers are like multiple transparent sheets. So we have to, it will not drag and drop, so we have to write transparent. Okay, layers are like transparent sheet. So check it. Why wrong? Okay, maybe spelling. Okay, TRANS. Okay, transparent, PARENT. Layers are like multiple transparent sheets. See, that's right, huh? Now the active layer is the timeline is indicated with a keyframe navigation controller icon children. I'm not going to write it. It's second one, keyframe navigation controller icon. Third one is when you take an object out of a library, the object is referred as an, it is referred as a what? Come on, what will be the answer? It will refer as an instance. Okay, check it. See, that's right. To display the grid on the stage, select, what we will select? Select view, then grid. Okay, this we have done children. Grid and show grid. Show grid. Check it children. It's correct. And the last one is dash is an object that acts as a hole through which we can see the content of a layer and beneath it. Yes, it is mask. It is mask, and process is called as masking. So in this way you can check it. Okay. After that, true false. So in animate only one layer can be activated at a time. Come on. Yes, it is true. So maybe write true, check. Okay, that's wrong, means we have to write true full, TRUE, full one. Okay, now it will show that's right. Okay, I can understand. Instead of writing T, you have to write true. That's otherwise it will say wrong. You can convert an object to a symbol by using F8 key. Yes, true. It is also true. Check it. The speed of an animation can be adjusted in the work area. Work area. No, false. FALSE. It's false. Okay. Then masking hides the other part and show only those parts. Yes, it is true. It is true, children. And the last one is animation cannot be repeated more than once. It is false. So in this way we can do the exercise. Okay. After this, which tool allow you to see the faint ghost image of? This is onion skin tool. Which option is used to repeat an animation? To repeat an animation, so control loop playback. Which key combination can group? So for grouping we need control plus G. Okay. So in this way we can complete the exercise, children. I will send it to you today, and it's better to write the question answers in your copy and these things in your book, or it is your choice that you are writing it in your copy also, because the time is very less, so you have to learn it also. Okay, just clear your concept and learn it. A small topic of onion skin tool is left. In onion skinning tool, children, what will happen? It is a feature that allow us to see faint ghost images of the previous frame. Faint ghost images of the previous frame, children. So this is the onion skin tool. So for that we need some object through which we can do it. But right now maybe the class will be over, so I'm not able to clear the see these are the this is the flash file which is running on your screen, and if you want I can send it to you also. Maybe it is not too big, but it's not easier to send, so let me see how I can send it to you. Okay, now in onion skin tool the faint ghost image of previous frame will be seen, so that we can adjust our layer. So this is also an important feature. So in next classes we can cover left one. So only onion skinning tool is left for practical part, otherwise your half yearly syllabus is completed by now. So I think you all will prepare it. Okay, children, so take care. I hope, children, the practical part is clear to you. One by one, slowly we are doing animation. I know that if you are not having the PC at your home, maybe it looks tough to you, but nothing is difficult, children. Try to revise it from your book, and then you are able to grasp it. Okay, you are not grasp it, you are able to clear your concept, you are able to understand it, and then we can learn animation in this way. I can't help, children, but if you are having the PC, please download it and do it. Make different animation as you can. You are very creative, children, I know, so create the animations. Till then, children, take care of yourself.